here we have an outrageous amount of pine needles on the floor, or in other words, pieces of plastic. All over. It's ridiculous. We've never seen a tree drop that much. It's ridiculous. Whatever. Alright, so we're gonna vacuum it up. Probably just show part of this because it'll be too hard to do this with one hand, but once I get the majority of these picked up, I'll cut off the video and finish it off video. Alright, that was good enough for the video production. For those of you who are wondering, this vacuum was the Hoover Concept 2 carry handle with self-propel. I got this for free just because it needed a belt. Anyways, so that's all. It did a good job, as it always does. You would expect nothing less from a 1980s appliance. Alrighty, that's all.